good. Let's go. Welcome home. Talk about beauty. That's the sound for us to get going.
This is actually the national flower of Scotland. What did the Scotsman do who couldn't find his trousers? He killed himself! Oh hi!
Now you ruined a friendship. Are you from Maritzburg? Peter Maritzburg.
That's what happens when you run for 5 kilometers.
Yeah, look at him, he's schwitzing. Let's go. So here we are, we've reached the basalt cliffs and the waterfalls begin. That iconic conical hill.
Conic is tonic for the eyes.
We wandered the desert for 40 years. Joshua brings us into the promised land. We cross the Jordan, and then we know of the tribes. 2.5 tribes settle on the east bank of the Jordan. Shoftim, Book of Judges, what's happening in the land of Israel, and specifically in this region where we are now.
Deborah, who was the leader at the time over here with the famous battle of Mount Tavor in the background, was held up by another female, Yael, and basically the male commander called Barak said he refused to go into battle without Deborah by his side. Basically the Bible comes alive here.
Very good ish. I want get them.
Peace.